Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. If you are new here, hello, my name is Zozy from Daynight Candles, and in today's video I will show you how I make the candle fresh cut roses in this 220 grams or 7.7 ounces glass vessel. Firstly, I use this cutting board to center my wicks, and I really like it because it has this X mark in the middle. So I position all my jars and vessels on it and I center my wicks perfectly, as you can see. For this particular vessel, I use the wick TCR 3018. While I wait for the wax to melt, I cut all my labels so they are ready to be put on the candle when it's the time. I use this cutting tool and I also print the labels at home, which I am preparing a video to explain how. With this candle, I also made matching dust covers to the labels so they look nicer together. And if you're interested in knowing how I made these dust covers, you can watch the video that I linked in the description below or in the card above. I get many questions on why my wax looks so creamy when it's time to pour it, and to answer, I use Natur's Wax C3. It is a very sensitive to temperature wax, so I found that when I put it in a very low temperature, I get no frosting or wet spots, and I also get smooth tops. Sometimes with this wax you can pour in a higher temperature, but you will have to warm up your vessels first or be in a warmer room. So after 3-4 hours when my candles have set, I cut the wicks and I also proceed to use the heat gun so I get even smoother tops, because sometimes they crack a little bit on the top, as you can see on the first candle to your right. But if this happens to you as well, don't be so hard on yourself, because it doesn't affect the quality of the candle, it's just aesthetic only. So after my candles have completely set, I clean the glass with rubbing alcohol and I put my glossy labels which I cut earlier. So let me know if you like this candle on how it turned out. This candle was part of my Valentine's collection this year, but I find it really appropriate for spring too, as the scent is fresh cut roses, and roses are really nice all year round. Thanks for watching this video, and stay till the end to see the product photography which I made for this candle that I put on my website. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you want to receive notifications every time I upload a new video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!